Description: Taming and nourishing mask for wavy or curly hair. Love Curl Hair Mask helps to create workable, elastic and voluminous curls and waves. Benefits: Contains a powerful conditioning agent that restores natural hydration for intensely nourished and soft hair. Suggested use: Apply to damp hair after Love Curl shampoo. Leave in for 10 to 15 minutes, comb through and rinse. Proceed with drying. Top reviews from the United States. I have found my holy grail. OMG, I hope Davines never stops making this love curl mask. Not only does it smell fresh and lovely, it has given me perfect curls. But here's the key: I use it as a leave-in product rather than a rinse-out conditioning mask. For years I have craved wash-and-go hair. My shoulder-length hair is wavy bordering on curly, but not consistent throughout. When I would attempt to wear it curly, using 3 or 4 styling products, by the end of the day, it would typically look frizzy and unkempt, so most of the time I opted to spend 20 to 30 minutes blow-drying it straight. As a result, my ends often became damaged. Quite by accident, I discovered that if I apply a nickel-sized dollop of Love Curl Mask after I get out of the shower and let my hair air dry, the result is silky, frizz-free curls that last all day. No blow dryer, no curling iron, no flat iron. Added bonus: if I want to wear my hair straight the following day, all I need to do is rinse the conditioning mask out of my hair during my morning shower. No need to shampoo because my hair isn't covered in a multitude of styling products, and blow dry as necessary. Or I can apply more Love Curl Mask and wear it curly again. Yay!